Are you confused between so and such? Let's look at the difference. Basically, so is followed by adjectives or adverbs, whereas such is followed by a noun or a noun phrase. Both are used to intensify the words that they modify. So basically, they make the words that follow them stronger. Here are some examples. She is so beautiful and she walks so gracefully. So here, beautiful isn't just beautiful, it's very beautiful or really beautiful because it's got the so in front of it. Likewise, gracefully, it's not just gracefully, but very gracefully or really gracefully. It's stronger. My dog is such a cutie. She is such a cute dog. So my dog isn't just a cutie, but a real cutie. She isn't just a cute dog, but a very or a really cute dog. Let's look in a little bit more detail at adjectives and adverbs. We use so with an adjective or an adverb to make it stronger. For example, it's so cold this morning. So it's not just cold, but it's so cold. The little girl looks so adorable in that outfit. He works so slowly. It's annoying. You could even say it's so annoying. To make a comparative adjective or a comparative adverb stronger, we use so much. For example, those children are so much taller than their parents. So they're not just taller than their parents, but they're so much taller than their parents. There's a big difference. She works so much more quickly than he does. So she doesn't just work more quickly, but so much more quickly. Let's look at nouns and noun phrases now. We use such with a noun or noun phrase to make it stronger. For example, my daughter is such a chatterbox. She isn't just a chatterbox, but she's a really big chatterbox. You're such a good friend. They're such lovely shoes. But if we use much, many, little, or few before the noun or noun phrase, we use so to make it stronger, not such. For example, there were so many people at the party. I need to go shopping. There's so little food in the fridge. If we look at this example, my daughter is such a little chatterbox. Here, little is used as an adjective to describe the chatterbox. So little chatterbox is a noun phrase here. But in this sentence, there's so little food in the fridge. Little is talking about how much. It's a quantifier. When we have little as a quantifier, we use so with it. If we're using it as an adjective, then we use such before it. Now let's talk about the result. So we can use so or such phrases with that, followed by a clause to say what the result is. For example, it was so cold that the puddles froze. So the main sentence, it was so cold, it was really cold. And as a result, the puddles froze. Similarly, it was such a cold day that the puddles froze. It was so cold, so with the adjective, or it was such a cold day, such with a noun phrase, that the puddles froze. The puddles froze is the result. There was so much snow that I couldn't see. So there was a lot of snow. As a result, I couldn't see. Remember, snow here is a noun, but because there's a quantifier in front of it, much, we need to use so, not such. Okay. Hope that's helped you. Thank you for watching.